Hey friends, it's Suzanne and welcome to my Facebook Live. I'm going to be doing a few more of these than I usually do. I'm going to try and put out some helpful hints for you, and today I'm actually in the kitchen. I'm making tahini, and this is a staple in my house. I love it. It's really high in calcium, and if you have even a teaspoon of it every day, it's going to be great for your bones. I love it though because it's delicious. And so what I've been doing is I have hulless sesame seeds. I'm going to have my cameraman Evan come in and zoom in on it. You can see I've been roasting them, and they're smelling delicious and fragrant, and they're lightly browned here, and that has taken me about 5 minutes. It's super fast to make this tahini, and it is so good for you and so delicious. Okay, so from here, I'm gonna take it over. I'm gonna put it in my food processor right here. Whoops. So let's see how that goes. Tricky. Get my seeds in. There we go. Okay. Now, homemade tahini is not going to be as smooth as the tahini you would buy in the store. Okay. Let's see if I can put my food processor together. Good. Okay. So I'm going to put in, I usually put in about 4 tablespoons of olive oil here. So I'm going to I should have had that measured out. You can see. And often I sometimes add a little bit more. This is 2 cups of sesame seeds here. Okay. Great. And then Alice Waters says a quarter teaspoon of salt. I sometimes add a little bit more of that too. Okay. And I was using up all of my sesame seeds, so it's a bit more. So I'm gonna turn this on. And we're gonna see what happens here. So you can see what I'm going to do is just turn it off. Check it out. You can see it's a little, I want it to be a little more smooth than it is. So I'm going to just add more olive oil. And sometimes I add quite a bit more. So I'm just going to dump it in here. So, oil is actually really good for you. I eat this as a quick breakfast on wholewheat flatbread, and in a pinch, I eat it at lunch too. So let's go. Great. Alright, so we're just gonna pulse that a little bit more. Oh yeah, and now you can see it's like falling in on itself. The texture is getting a little more mushy. All right, and so this will last me in my fridge like 2 weeks. It is delicious. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Take this off. Okay, I'm gonna take a piece of flatbread here. Okay, so I warmed up this flatbread, and then if you just put a little bit of this on some flatbread, and I'm gonna put a little bit of honey on it there. All right, I'm gonna test that. Looks really good. It's really great. So I hope you try this recipe. I'll put it in the feed below. And great fast breakfast. You could, instead of honey, you could put chili on it, and that's really good too. Okay, so you guys, so have a good day, and I hope to see you next time. I'll really make sure that I let you know. I'm going to have a certain time when I do these things. But thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.